Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by establishing a baseline so you know what changes impact performance. Run a brief benchmark and record FPS, max and average temps, and GPU utilization. Once done, update the graphics driver to the latest stable WHQL release and note the current driver version. Make sure the PSU and case airflow are adequate and that BIOS settings like PCIe and power options are default. This prevents confounding issues when you tweak the GPU itself. Now you tune the GPU in measured increments to find safe gains. Raise the power limit and temperature limit by about 5 to 15% so the card has headroom. Then increase core clock in small steps. Start with 10-20 MHz or about 0.5% equivalent, testing for artifacts and stability after each step. Do the same for memory clock. Use short stress tests in games to validate. If you see artifacts or crashes, step back one stable increment and lock that setting. Finish by optimizing the system and software to convert clock gains into real-world FPS. Set Windows and GPU power plans to high performance, close background apps that hog CPU or RAM, and use driver features like DLSS, FSR, or frame caps to improve smoothness. Make sure VSync and latency settings match your goals. If you hit instability, reset driver settings and test thermals, and if issues persist, swap hardware or test on another PC to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.